you can see jewelries with custom engraving, phone cases, printed photos, pet accessories. Okay, comfort and wellness products, candles, diffusers, blankets, cushions. Interesting. Tech accessories, wireless chargers, phone stands, portable speakers. I want to go one step ahead and make things a little more interesting. Let's ask, can you give me information from Google Trends about most searched products so far for 2024? Now things get a little complicated. Let's see how the bot is going to get over the challenge. Okay, we do get some results. Wow, it's still early in 2024. Google Trends does offer some interesting insights into the most searched products. Okay, guys, we're getting ahead of the competition. This is why you have to follow and subscribe to the channel. You just learned something very easy for free that you probably it will cost you hours and hours and hours to learn about. Okay.